Study is finding that HPV is plummeting in teens since that controversial vaccine was introduced a decade ago now.
Yeah, our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joins us now. And Dr. Nandi, here is proof that that vaccine is working. So why so much controversy?
You know, I love this news. A lead researcher with the CDC says the cervical cancer causing virus has been cut by 64% since the vaccine's inception. So here are my Partha's prescriptions for HPV vaccination. Begin vaccination at age 11 or 12. The goal is to get kids vaccinated before, I say before they're sexually active and are exposed to HPV. Also receive the full HPV vaccine series. Now HPV vaccine is given in 3 shots. The second shot is given 1 or 2 months after the first shot, and then a third shot is given 6 months after the first shot.
So, Doc, will they get it? I mean, how common is it?
It is, you know, people ask that. It's like, is my Billy going to get it? It's the most common sexually transmitted disease in the United States. So, you know, you have nearly 80 million people, or 1 in 4 adults, are currently infected in the United States. So it's a big problem. People think, you know, it's not going to happen to us or my kids, but it's really very prevalent.
What can HPV infections cause?
It seems like what can it cause? HPV can cause cervical and vaginal cancer, vulvar cancers in women, penile cancers in men, anal cancer, cancer of the back of the throat, so oropharynx cancer, and genital warts in both men and women. So really important to know because people don't make the connection.
So if your child does get HPV, okay, is there a way to get rid of it safely, or does it always return, or how does that work?
Well, here's a lot of people, when they get HPV, don't even know that they have the infection. So the key is that you get the infection because you don't get vaccinated, and then you can spread it. This is what's happening, is that people really need to understand that they need to vaccinate the kids. We say age 11 through 12 you begin with. For men, you can go up to age 21 for young men. For young women, you can go up to age 26. Now, you know, there are some caveats if your immune system is down, but it's key. People say, well, if my kid's not 11 or 12, then can I get it? Absolutely.
All right, Dr. Nandi, thank you so much.
My
and
pleasure.
If you have a question for the good doctor or a health concern, you can email him at drnandi@wxyz.com or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.